Hello and welcome to Chemistry with JP. Today we are here with an interesting video of learning chemistry. In this video, we are going to learn chemistry through a TV drama, a web series known as Breaking Bad. So this web series is an American crime drama in which a chemistry teacher turns into a drug manufacturer. The show consulted real chemistry professor. Science is central to every episode. This web series has won 16 Emmy Awards, the greatest TV shows ever made. Chemistry advisor Dr. Jonah Nelson verified reactions, lab equipment, and chemical dialogues which were used in this web series. So I have compiled 30 MCQs and I have broken down into 6 parts which you can see on your screen. So before starting this video, I request you to please subscribe my YouTube channel for further interesting videos in future. So very first MCQ is Walter White defines chemistry as the study of dash. So basically these 4 options may be correct, but according to this drama, option B, change, is correct. What does the formula C10H15N shown in Breaking Bad opening credits represent? So this formula is of option C, methamphetamine. In Breaking Bad's opening, BR and BA are highlighted. Their atomic numbers are, so the atomic numbers of BR bromine and BA barium are 35 and 56 respectively. When electrons absorb energy in Ward's classroom demo, so generally, as we know that when electrons or matter absorbs energy, so it moves to a higher energy level. So option C is correct. The molecular weight of methamphetamine. So formula is given. The molecular mass is calculated as option C, 149.24 gram per mole. Jesse uses HF, hydrogen fluoride, to dissolve a body. What makes HF uniquely dangerous? So Jesse Pinkman is another important character together with Walter White. Jesse Pinkman was a student in school days, but later he became the partner in his crime and in his business. So the correct option of this MCQ is option B. It penetrates skin and reacts with calcium in bones, dissolves glass. So it's very dangerous. Jesse dissolves the body in a bathtub. What really happens? So option B is correct. HF dissolve fire glass but not porcelain. Sorry, fiberglass. Hydrofluoric acid is classified as which type of acid? So it is a weak acid. Walt throws red phosphorus into boiling water. What toxic gas is produced? So when you react water or boiling water with red phosphorus, it will produce phosphine. And if you want to write me this reaction, so please comment, I will write it for you. Ricin is derived from which plant? So ricin was used as poison in Breaking Bad. Walter White used it for Jesse's girlfriend and a little boy later in the web series. So its right option is castor bean, or botanical name is Ricinus communis. Mercury fulminate, HgCnO2, used by Walt, is which type of explosive? So it is a primary explosive and it is sensitive to heat, shock, and friction. Would War's crystal throw really work exactly as shown? So the correct option is B. No. Thermite used by Walt is a mixture of. So thermite is a mixture of option A, iron oxide plus aluminum powder. The thermite reaction is an example of which type of chemical reaction? The thermite is the example of redox reaction, oxidation and reduction. Walt makes thermite from each a sketch twice. What component makes this possible? So option B is correct. Powder inside is aluminum. So aluminum and thermite. In the train heist, Walt replaces methylamine with water using. So the correct option is B, density difference. So this is a very interesting scene in this TV drama. Walt together with Jesse Pinkman and team stole methylamine from a train and drain back water, and this was all possible due to density difference. So you can when you watch this series you will see that Walter White very genius and he did everything with science. Walt builds a battery in the desert. This is based on which principle? So battery, as we know, that electrochemical or galvanic cell. Walt's pure math appears below. What does color in a crystal really indicate? So the color indicates the presence of impurities, option B. Which instrument would Watt use to verify purity of his product? So to check the purity of product, like math, we use the gas chromatography. Watt's blue math is 99.1% pure. What does purity percentage mean? So it's a simple percentage purity formula. So mass of pure compound divided by total mass and multiply by 100. So option B is correct. Walt and Jesse wear yellow hazmat suits. The most critical PPE when handling toxic chemicals is. PPE means personal protective equipment. So option B, full PPE, gloves plus goggles plus respirator plus suit. Which glassware is most essential for precise chemical synthesis? So looking at the options, option B is correct. Graduated flask, condensers, round bottom flask. So Walt used round bottom flask for math production. Why must HF always be stored in plastic container, never glass? Okay, so HF does not react with plastic due to polarity, but it can react with glass. So silicon dioxide, and it can react with skin bonds. So HF reacts with silicon dioxide in glass. So that's why we cannot store it in glass. When chemical react and release heat like thermite, the reaction is it's exothermic. What is the primary purpose of a fume hood in a chemistry lab? So in a chemistry lab, especially when we deal with very critical, very dangerous chemicals, so we use fume hood, and fume hood removes toxic fumes from the work area to protect the chemist. Methamphetamine belongs to which class of organic compounds? So as we know that there are several organic compounds based on their functional group, so they are divided into families. So methamphetamine, as the name indicates, in the last amine means amine, so it is option B, amines, organic nitrogen compounds. Methylamine is the simplest amine, as we know that, as we discussed earlier. Pseudoephedrine is found in, so it is found in common cold medicines and decongestant tablets. What's blue sky is made by recrystallization crystals from because saturated solution cools solute from solid crystals. So option B is correct. Ricin kills cells by. So ricin was used by Walt to kill the Jesse Pinkman's girlfriend and a little child, later shown in the web series, to which uh, Jesse Pinkman was very much attached. So it kills by inhibiting protein synthesis inside cells. So guys, these are all the 30 MCQs which I have taken from the famous web series. And if you need the key, and if you could not hear me properly, so uh, you can see these keys and compare your answers with these keys. So any mistake or any suggestion, any advice, so please comment me. I will improve myself. Thank you so much.